watching your love affair. I've been watching your love affair.
Before we get this video started, I feel like I should probably get you up to date on where we actually are. Let me get you up to date. Let me change locations and bring in a little light to the situation, all right? 1 second. So basically, we're loading up today to go to Lockcity the next couple days, today being Thursday. And I didn't show you guys what happened last weekend. I'll show you that now. But before we do that, I kind of already have an idea. I wonder what everybody else thinks about Colin winning this weekend. Let's find out. Right there.
Colin and winning don't go together.
No, I heard you doing my bumper.
Hey. We're talking here.
I don't really...
What? Back up.
What? Check out.
What am I checking out?
Throw the fucking egg.
Suck that
right
egg.
in there.
Whoa.
Suck that egg.
Whoa.
Yo, I like that.
Cunnilingus?
I like
What?
that. I like that. We're going full-time YouTube, and Glenn's got the crazy face.
Hey, bro. What do you think his chances are of winning this weekend?
Good.
Not to be a dick. I mean, like, think he got it?
Well, we're changing the tire setup.
At least top 4.
I think he's gonna get at least top 2.
Confidence.
He's changing the tire setup in the back.
He is doing some tweaks. Trying to make some
Gonna put some Falcons in the back.
Azenzas.
Yeah, son.
what you
About to
need.
do some work.
Okay. Positive.
Open off the fucking green. Get over here!
What do you think are the chances are that Colin's winning this weekend? What? I said, what do you think the chances are that Colin is winning this weekend?
Winning?
Yeah,
Get
winning.
shit together. I don't know. Maybe pretty good.
He's pretty good. Oh, that's when the car starts rolling out? Alright, bet. Car rolling out. He gives him his 100. His A grade.
The outside part came out way better.
Oh really?
Yeah, that was still kind of like shit.
Hey, Glenn. No. What do you think Colin's chances are this weekend?
What with this?
With this drift
Cab or
the taxi cab drift car.
or the fucking gold dust?
No, this is the new drift car. You know that?
Gold dust.
He just traded in this for that. Gold dust.
Same motive.
It's on my gold dust. Let me see what Chris has to say about the situation. Chris.
What?
Oh my god, damn. Like, I'm just trying to give you some love, you know? It's like camera time. What do you think Colin's chances are of making it this weekend? At least like top 4.
Like physically get in there or
No,
placing?
we all know he gets in there. He just placing it that's the problem. Question
His chances?
of winning.
Depends. Is Adam LZ gonna be there?
Ooh, you're trying to make him your sworn enemy right now. Alright.
Gotta commit
This
so
is the-
fast. He can't be scared to crash his car. That's what you gotta do.
That is true. That is very true. I see that.
Be scared to smash and decide something.
He has like more fun just kicking it around the
Listen, I wasn't scared of hitting someone, and I had a great time.
True. What do you think Colin's chances are this weekend?
What?
What do you think Colin's chances are this weekend?
Well, apparently Stonebeck's not driving. He's
that's-
judging.
Oh.
I asked him about that, and I was like, "Yo,
so
is
that gives us a
Adam?"
little something,
I was
something.
like, "Is Adam driving?" He's like, "I don't know." So, I mean, I think we got a pretty secure 5th again.
5th place
and,
secure.
And
Okay.
Tom's doing well,
Yeah.
and so is Josh from Front Street.
But maybe since we're going
he's
to the
60
hotel,
points.
so I got everybody's little 4-1 on what they think about what's gonna happen this weekend. Hopefully this bad girl takes him to the top. And how do you feel? What? This weekend, coming up, right now, Round 3, Street Series, Lockcity, coming in hot. Narrated by your boy, Power, aka Pasty Pat. Talk to me.
My bumper's falling off, Pat.
Yeah, it's because you set this off your fucking trailer on your way
just put
home.
that on. Shut up, Pat.
Sorry.
All I gotta say about Colin's chances this weekend, he's not first, he's last.
Hell, Ricky, I was high when I said that. You can be second, you can be third, fourth. Hell, you can be fifth.
He's fast.
second. I was hot.
But let's cut to us actually starting the event and checking out what he did last competition. How do you feel about this event?
I'm about to get naked.
So that means you feel good about this event. Real good.
So we'll find out.
So is it like a groundhog thing? Like if you see it, then we're good for the day, or if you don't see it, then you're not good for the day? Like is that what it is?
I have to check to see if it's there.
Okay, I'm just making sure. I'll let you get through that. You know? You just give me the 411 when you're out. Cool. Okay.
You can just come back and check.
I'll pass on that one. That's your job. You're good. You got this. Here we go. So if I'm not vlogging the event, or the guys running up or driving up, mainly because I'm trying to get shots of the long zoom. We'll see how that goes. I'll be mishmashing footage here left and right. This is where it gets messy, so bear with me. Flag off course when you run out? What? Flag off course when you run out?
No, just leaking fuel or something.
Really? Yeah. Oh, I didn't see that. That's how you leaking fuel?
Yeah, there's no gas cap.
All right, let's get back out there.
Someone put gas in the car.
Unfortunately, someone who put gas in the car left the gas cap off, and it's leaking fuel all over the track. So problem solved. We're gonna get back here, so we get a couple runs in. Let's see what the second go around does for him.
Hot.
We should put that AC unit in the back of your car.
Just have it slide around.
It's fucking Colin just went through qualifying. 2 fucking solid, perfect qualifying rounds. First one, good. Second one, even fucking better. About to go reunite with the crew. See what's going on. I'm excited this round. Last time we didn't make it. I didn't really film it that day. Let's not talk about it. Dude, give me some of that with your other hand. It's not looking too good out here. Yeah, what? Yeah. What?
Yeah. Yep. This sucks.
I really want to drift the Hurricane though. Hail?
Oh my god, my truck! Jesus Christ.
This is the second time I've seen a hail like that.
I've never seen a hail like that.
Global warming at its finest.
Like, that was fucking aggressive.
Rain has finally ended, and this is what? Practice round 2?
Wet practice.
Wet practice, moist practice. Basically everybody lining up, top 16. Does look pretty fucking I have like 0 battery left right now, and I don't know what's about to happen. We're about to go get something to eat. The competition's over. Colin didn't make it to the top, but hey, season's not over yet, and catch you guys soon enough. Colin, you want to end the vlog?
I'm full and I need to go throw up now out of my ass.
Yeah, they. Oh. He's talking shit. That's what happens. Anything you want to say, Frank?
I had some brown gravy. we're gonna give some brown gravy.
Okay.
Brown gravy, and I'm gonna make some brown gravy.
I don't think you guys want to see 2 hours of us driving all the way to New York, so I guess we'll just end it here. With that, and that was a Pazzy road trip. Pazzy out.
Shut up.
You shut up. You'll just like
What's
goose
that
it.
mean?
I don't know.
Milk.
I don't know.
What is it to milk?
I don't know, it's probably just like